Okay, guys, welcome back to the live podcast, live stream, MNQ day trades. It has been a wild day. As you can tell, right here, I got my day in the green, and we are about 10 minutes away from the closing of the general market. And I thought I'd come in and maybe live stream a capture of one or two trades before the market closes. We often have a push to the upside on the close of the market, and we'll see if they'll actually do that. We got about 13 minutes, almost 12 minutes before the close of the market. Hope your all day's going good, whether you're trading or not. It's been pretty warm here in the Northwest. There were some crazy swings today. It's been a wild ride. But we can walk away with another one or two nice green trades. Even if it's $20, $30. I'll take the $20, $30 trade any day. All right, we'll put our stop right there. And we got stopped out. Took our profits there. We're almost 10 minutes. Usually about 10 to 5 minutes before the market closes, it just ends up going wild. All right, we're almost to the crossover. And at the top of this resistance level on Heikin-Ashi. So I'll put a 1. I'll risk a 1. All right, we got one filled. Let's see, it'll keep pushing, or it'll bring it down. So we're right at this level for resistance, and we'll trust the chart. So we'll put our profit target right there below, about 5 points. It spikes down. We'll take that. All right, we got our... whoa, did you see that? Wow, what did I tell you? All right, we're on the green. Let's do that. Woo! Did you see that? All right, bring me down and hit me for... Oh, unbelievable. All right, let's see if it'll... I'm telling you, that's where all the orders coming in for close of day. All the orders have been sitting there since probably even this morning. Nice spike. I love that. Come on, let's see what you can do there. Now, we don't want to be entering now because too much indecision there. But I'll do a 1. I'll do a 1, right? Man. All right. It's we'll do a 2 at this support level. See if it'll hit me at the support level, maybe bounce up. I imagine this is going to be the range coming down. So from this resistance right here down to this support level, I'm going to put my... should I put my stop loss up there? Wow, that was quite a spike. That was from 942, 943, all the way to... That's a 30-point spike. right there in just 15 seconds, 30 seconds. That was crazy. That's the kind of action you often see on future trades. So, all right, let's see what'll bring me up to the top. All right, a lot of indecisive candles here. I might put my profit target right there just to get rid of this trade. Hit me for one. Come on, come down and hit me for a second target. Come on, don't tease it. Down you go, down you go. Well, we can risk one if we need to add. We need to add. All right. 8 more minutes before the close of the general market. Now, remember that the actual futures market doesn't close for another hour, but this is where a lot of action happens. Right, closes on about 10 minutes before. All right, let's do our profit target just to get rid of this. I don't believe it's going to be sliding anywhere, but it's going to be spiking. You can see there's a lot of spiking going on. So 4 points, 10 points. If I can get hit and filled for this 10 point, I'll be a happy camper. Or if it keeps climbing up, we can scale in our trade, add on a little bit. We'll see. We got 7 minutes to the end of closing of the market. I'll add one. All right, let's add one. We're 5 points. Okay, I'm chasing now. I'm chasing the price. Hopefully, it's not going to be fireworks for the buyers in my case. All right, I'm going to put my 4 position profit target below. Change it to a 2 if I need to scale up possibly. So we're 5 points. It's only 5 points. So I'm asking a 7-point profit on this particular. Come on. All right, so somebody sold a few positions right there. You can see it's a spike. They sold. Somebody bought them. And where are we going with this? Where are we going, ladies and gentlemen? Come on, bring it down. We are now at 5 till. You see another spike of action, and just watch this. Now, these are nice, positive candles, so this particular trade might be going against me, so I don't want to be stacking up too high on it. Only 4 contracts so far in. Oh, woo! There we go. What did I tell you? There's another spike. Come on, now I'm chasing the price. All right, bring it down. Bring it down to below 79. I'm 9 contracts. We're going to put that in just in case it spikes down to close me out. Come on, come on. Look at that. Just that little bit of a difference is $170. So if it spikes down and fills me in for 5 points, come on, bring it down. Bring it lower. Oh, don't tease me. Don't tease me. All right, should I? Oh, come now. 9 points. Don't do that. Don't do trailing it down. Let's see how far we'll go as a trail down. 100. Woo! Right there. And we got stopped out. I'll take that $180. I think it was. I can't quite tell what the number was here before, but if you rewind back, you might be able to see what the. And let's see if we can play this down slide. No, we got a crossover. We got a green candle forming. Whoa, there's some action going on. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. We got 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes, 3.5 minutes left before the close in the market. 2 o'clock is in our next spike. We might get a little bit of action there as well. Oh, come on. We got our support level right there. See if it'll hit me again. And let's put some profit targets. All right, we're going to put profit target right there, one right there, and maybe one right there. Oh, you dirty dog. Look what it's doing. It's cranking up. 6 contracts. I'm going to do 2. Come on. Come on. Bring it down for 8. I'm going to put my profit target right there. See if it'll spike down right before the close on the market. 2.5 minutes left. Come on. Where's all the sellers? We want to have the sellers come in at about 2 o'clock or so and get rid of all of their positions and drop that price slightly. But last time I ended up trading, I think the first live stream I did, I traded about from now till for the next hour till about 3 p.m. and ended up coming in at $277 in the green. So let's see, we're 10 points right now. Let's do our profit target right there for 5. We'll drop another one for 5. All right, we got almost 2 minutes, little under 2 minutes left. See if that red candle will continue its... We got a crossover on the stochastic, crossover on our moving averages, and a little bit of an indecisiveness going on in the candles, but let's see. Lord willing, the Kriegs don't rise, we will come down. If not, we're going to have to get out of this trade real quick, because 10 contracts is not fun to hold when you are... All right, come on. Oh, I'm going to... All right, come on now. One left, and all right, I'll get out of that one. So that was... Oh, you dirty dog. Should have held it. Come on, bring it up. All right, I'll get out again. Woo! All right, one more. Let's see what happens in 30 seconds. Just watch this spike. Watch what happens in 30 seconds at the turn of the hour. My bet is there's going to be another probably 10, 20, at least 10, 20 point spike. Right there, we got 10 seconds left before 2 o'clock. Let's see what happens. I'm going to enter in then. There we go. And I've filled. Oh, the other way. No. Go the other way. What did I tell you? That was not a 10. That was a 30, 40 point spike down to the downside. See, we got 4 contracts open. We'll put our... So the next 5 minutes, this is going to be kind of the settling of all the transactions. There are still people kind of filling in their orders, but let's see. Can we get filled in for 4 right above our entry level? All right, that was a chasing of the price. I have to say that was not necessarily reading the chart, but watching the spike of the prices. So let's see if this will change. We're 11 points difference from our entry level. And come on. Where are we at? We're a 15-minute trading session right now so far. All right. Will you come up? Will you come up slightly? Slightly. Should I put my profit target at 2 and profit target at 2? Come on. Continue this. Continue the upward move. Please. Don't leave me hanging. All right, so usually about 5 minutes or so, we're going to chase that price down. Support level right there. All right, so we're 6 contracts. I'm gonna do, let's see, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Wow, that was a glitch. Glitch in the system. All right, and up we go. Come on, come on, push it up, push it up. Ah, push it up. You know you want it. So 5 points on 6 contracts. That's about $30, $40. Let's go, let's go. Continue this trend. Continue the green candles. All right, move it up. Might have some buyers coming in right after that dump. We got to move to the upside on... Oh, you dirty dog. All right, should I put... I'm going to put some targets in. Right, so let's see if it'll hit my first target. Maybe put some another one. But this is a nice crossover. This was a crossover to the upside, but I don't like the formation of these red candles and undecisiveness. So if this forms a top red flat bottom, the price might drop down to our support level right here and test it again. Somewhere right there. That is a possibility. Oh, you, come on. Because, all right, let's, all right, we'll do 6 right there. I'm hoping that this resistance level will be tested again with the formation of these candles, especially after this nice dip. Come on. Come on, let's make it a nice positive 15-minute. Will you already? All right, I'm going to put that. Just entice the buyers. The buyers. I told the buyers I want to sell 6 contracts of MNQ on the 991 price level and see if somebody will want to fill that in. Otherwise, yeah, I'm not sure about that one. So 10 contracts. I don't like this. I really don't like this. Right, let's put a 10 out, see if they'll bite on the 10. There's our support level. Let's see if that support level will get tested. Will you test and bump back up? Because I need to get out of this position. That is not funny. All right, come on. Come on, bring it back up. This was kind of our level. I know I put the line up here, but if you see, the closing was somewhere right there. So I might just have to get out of this position and take a loss. Ooh, boy. All right, so our support level is being tested right now. We are 5 points away from my entry point. Oh, man, come on. Give me a little spike. Give me a little spike to the top. All right, nice crossover. We got a crossover in moving averages, crossover in our stochastic. We got a green candle formed right there, change of trend. Let's see if it'll prove to just 4 points. 4 points, all I need for that. I really do not want to exit this with a red trade. But I'm plenty green on the day. This is a huge position. You do not want to be holding a position like this, especially after hours. I do not like that. So there's a spike to the end. Oh, fill me. Oh, there we go. We just got filled. All 23 contracts just got filled. Woo! Did you see that? I think that was probably close to a couple $100. Man, I'll take that. I'll take that just to get out of the position. Now, in hindsight, the prediction is that the price was going to bounce off of this support level and go up. Now, yes, granted, you want to see some sort of confirmation and all that, but I don't like playing around with whether it's going to do that or move down with such a large position of 23 contracts on a $50,000 account, because you can only hold, I believe, 60 contracts. So I was nearly holding a quarter of all of those. And the more you scale in, the less chance that your average entry level will be moving as fast as if you were starting out with a small, like a 1 contract. So let's see if it'll test this level again. I'll go for 1. Will it bounce off the support level and go up? We are oversold on our stochastic. All right. And it broke through the support level. So now the support becomes the resistance. So we'll see if this come up and break through this resistance level. But now it's testing this support. All right. So this is the support now. It's amazing how support and resistance levels are working. All right, so will it bounce up and come up to somewhere there? So we'll do a 2 right there. Come on. Come on. Work the charts. Work the magic. We believe in the charts. All right. Where will this? All right, we got 4. So this is just the profit target. So we got 4 contracts out. All right, can we? That's too tight of a stop. I don't want to put my stop at 4 for the 4 contracts I have open when I only have a 2 point spread on my price marker. So I can either put 4 as a target, or I can do 2 and spread them out. And I got filled. Okay. All right, well, I think I'm going to call it quits. Traded for about 24 minutes exactly, 24 and 13 seconds. And I don't know what the previous number was before I started trading, but I believe it was under 3,000. So it's been a good day. This right here is my pro account, and I do qualify for a payout, which I haven't submitted the request yet. And these are my 2 test accounts that are $150,000 test accounts. So still working on passing those. I'm quite a bit away, but still, it's a green day. I'll take that. You're given 30 days to pass your tests. I often actually can do that in a couple, 2-3 days, but that's when I'm super aggressive. So I've been scaling my aggressiveness back. And I know you've seen some aggressive moves even on this live stream that I've posted, not this particular, but on this channel. But believe me, when I say aggressive, I've done aggressive. Nothing you've seen on this channel before. So, and that's where I end up blowing my accounts and starting them over again. So it does pay to be very risk avert or managing your risk tightly. So, hey, thanks again for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. You got some entertainment out of this. And again, can you make money trading futures? Yes, you can. Right there. The proof is in the pudding. So, thanks again, and till next time, bye.